Hello everybody and welcome to a long-awaited, kinda special episode of Model Kit Builds. And today I am doing my unboxing, very long-awaited unboxing of a very special kit here. This is the high-grade Gundam Base Limited Efreet Custom Metallic Gloss Injection version. I'm really happy to finally have this thing. I ordered this back in August of last year. It shipped about December of last year, and now I finally have it. So, here's the top of the box. As you can see, this is from Mobile Suit Gundam Side Story, The Blue Destiny, which is why I wanted this, because it'll go nice with my Blue Destiny Units 1 and 2. I still need 3, but that's besides the point. Anyway, so here's the one side of the box here, the Gundam base symbol. And just stuff I can't read. Has a limited edition display stand. Blah blah blah. Swords, cool poses. Yeah. There's that same artwork there. And this side just has some more stuff about the Gundam base on it. And God, I would love to go visit that place. It would just be such a dream. Although I would spend way too much money. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the box. So now let's get it open and see what's inside. Alright, so here we are, taking a look at the runners. Of course we have the limited edition, if I can get this in the light, well, the limited edition stand here. Just red, says the Gundam base on it. I shouldn't say red, metallic red. Woo! As you can kind of see there. Moving on, we have the Polycap runner. Woohoo! We have the massive sticker sheet. Yeah, unfortunately, this thing has a shit ton of stickers. But that's okay. First we start with Runner B2. Again, you can see the, if I can get it, but the metallic sheen of it. Even the white's like pearly white is really nice. B1, more of that blue, metallic blue with some of that pearly white down there. Here is C2, which yes, it is a metallic-y gray, not just a standard gray. C1. Here's D3, the heat swords. Here's F2. Some nice orange gold. Oh, gold. D1, just in gray. F1 there, in the like a metallic-y black. And the highlights here is E1 in the metallic-y orange. Like a dark metallic orange. It's really nice. And the same with E2 here. And now with that out of the way, let's take a look at the manual. So here we are with the manual. Unfortunately, no special cover for this particular kit. We just start with step 1, which is the body. Step 2 is the head. Step 3 is the legs. Very typical high grade fashion here. Step 4 is the right leg. Step 5 is the left leg. Step 6 is the waist. Step the arms. Step 9 is right arm. Step 10 is left arm. And then the final assembly here. And of course the weapons there. For some reason it skips step 7, but hey, that's alright. You want to go 6, 8? So yeah, there's the color guide and all that junk there. So not a whole lot to it. Oh yeah, there's the side with the, this would be the actual front of it. Here, with the list of rounds here, B1, B2, C1, C2, D1, D3, E1, E2, F1, F2, PC, and Stickers, which is what exactly we had. And yeah, so that's gonna do it for my unboxing here of the high grade Gundam Side Story Blue Destiny, the Gundam Base Limited Efreet Custom Metallic Gloss Injection version. That's all I have to say, so thank you for watching, and goodbye.